What's going on, guys? So I was finally able to get all the parts in for my gaming PC build. Well, aside from some custom stuff that I'm still waiting for. But anyway, I decided to move forward with the upload because I'm in the process of shooting my 2017 room tour. So anything missing from this build should be in that video. Now this isn't a how to build a gaming PC video. It's simply some B-roll of me putting it together and showing you guys the outcome. But if you guys have any questions, be sure to leave a comment below. Now there were a couple of parts that I added, so if you guys are coming from part 1, you can check out the updated PC part picker list below or refer to the Amazon links. With that said, this is my gaming PC build.